For us, and probably for you too, a lot of new tasks and ideas actually come from our meetings. For that, Monday.com includes the AI Notetaker. And the AI Notetaker joins your meetings and can turn them into notes, summaries, and tasks. That way, the things we talk about in a meeting don't get lost, and they can end up right on our board. Once a week, my teammates and I have a short planning call where we go through our future video pipeline and decide what we're making next. In those calls, we also bring up new video ideas. We talk about who should make them, and we set rough deadlines. Ideas could get lost if no one writes them down, so let's have the note-taker join our next planning call, and then we don't need to worry about it. Let me show you how to set that up. First, we connect our calendar. You can use Google or Outlook here. I'm going to add my Google Calendar. After I've connected my calendar, I'll select Settings in the top right corner, and I'll show you how to check the Personal Preferences. Click Personal Preferences over on the left. This is where you can control how Notetaker joins your meetings, whether it auto-joins the meetings that you create or auto-joins the meetings that you're invited to. You can control external and internal meetings for both. I'll make sure auto-join is on for the meetings that I create. If you set it up like this, you'll never have to remember to invite it. If you've made any changes, make sure to save them here. I've gone ahead and set up a Google Meet with an invite link on the calendar invite. And when it's time for that meeting to start, I'll join the call like normal. You can see that meeting in the Upcoming Meetings tab, and the note-taker was invited automatically. I'll join the call when scheduled, and the note-taker waits to be let in just like any other guest. I'll admit the note-taker, and then our meeting is being recorded. We can see that message down here in the chat. Once it's set up, note-taker will join the call with us, and we'll start to record. So I'll just proceed with this meeting like normal. After our planning call is finished, we can look at what the note-taker captured. I'll refresh so that we can see the full recap of the meeting. The summary will show in our summaries list. You can see the participants, when the meeting happened, and how long the recording is. Then you can click the three-dot menu for more options. Here, I'll open the meeting summary. On the left-hand side of the overview, you'll see everything that happened in the meeting. You can see the potential action items that are pulled based on the transcript, and we can add those directly to a board. You also have the full transcript recorded of the speech, and you can see the participants. Unfortunately, my teammates couldn't join, so this recap will be very valuable when they get back. In the middle, we have a topic breakdown, and we also have the recording itself. And finally, on the right, Sidekick will show some action suggestions. These might be especially helpful if you've missed the meeting. Here, Sidekick has generated the pipeline status, and it's called out the 3 new videos added to the pipeline that I talked about. There are some open action items, and Sidekick may suggest some things to do next. I'll respond and say, please add all 3 new videos to the video pipeline board. And then I'll send it. Once Sidekick is done thinking, it will confirm that these items have been added. So that's the AI Notetaker. If you've only been following along so far, and you're now ready to start using the AI workspace in Monday.com, make sure you click the first link in the video description, and that will get you the best deal we have available for Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.